So what is up, Turbo fam? We are back with another video on Turbo, and Turbo right now seems to be bouncing back really nicely. We're going to be taking a look at what it has been doing recently and what's coming up next. So before we do start the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen looking at Turbo right now, up around almost 14% in the past 24 hours, back to the 0.209 range. So which again is really good for Turbo. Market cap at $588 million, also up 14%, and volume at $98 million, almost 50% up with in just the past 24 hours. So reaching 100 million volume, which is again good news for Turbo, since the volume in the past few days wasn't very great. We were down pretty low, it was around the 20, 30, 40 million dollars of volume, so it wasn't doing too great. Now it's starting to pick back up again at $98 million. So again, as we could see, today's graph looking really good. We did do about 15% in just the past 24 hours. Weekly, we are up around 7%, and we could see we did go down pretty low in the week, almost about 0.207182. And we are back pretty nicely. If we do take a look at the graph right here, we could see from the bottom we are up. Let's take a look. From the bottom we are back up around that's about 30%. So again, 29.5%, which is really good. We are climbing back nicely, and we will most likely be closer and bouncing back to from this level, because as we have taken a look at the graphs in previous videos, we do regularly seem to bounce off from this level. We know after we do see the new all-time high, we see a dump right here right after, which is again a pretty big dump. Then we see another pump which isn't as big as the all-time high, and then we see another dump right about that range, if not lower. We could see almost the same range, very similar, and then we see it doing this pattern again. We see another new all-time high, it went up like crazy, then we saw another crazy dump, we saw a little pump, and then another dump, which was again lower than the previous time it had dipped. So this time we could see we did go up, and then we saw another crazy dump, a little pump, and this dump was just about almost the same range as the previous dump. It did not go lower this time, but again, we were expecting this range, if not lower. So which again was pretty normal, because this has happened multiple times before. It's not the first time it's happening, and it's nothing to be scared of. And as we are coming back, we did have a pretty good big green candle for the daily, which is looking really good. And if we do take a look at their Twitter, we could see they are sitting at about 107.2k followers, and the art is always good as always, and they just post regularly announcements happening within Turbo in the past few times. And if we do take a look at their website, we know Turbo is actually one of the first meme coins created with the help of AI using ChatGPT 4 and a budget of just $69, and it is now a fully decentralized community driven crypto adventure, which is again a really good thing. The community for Turbo is absolutely amazing. It is one of the best communities I know, really active and always pushing the coin. And another reason behind Turbo's success is the 115 plus spot exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, Bithumb, OKX, and all of these other exchanges on the list. There are absolutely a huge list, and this is another reason for how big Turbo is, because the easier the people get access to any coin, the more likely they are to go and buy it. So if it's on the world's most popular exchanges, it is more likely that more people will want to jump in, since they don't have to do extra steps just to get into the coin or buy the coin, like use VPNs, sign up to other smaller exchanges. They could just go to their exchange that they use, most likely on top exchanges in the world, and just go ahead and buy this coin, which is again really good for Turbo. Being on such a huge list is not a small task, and it definitely helps out Turbo a lot. If we do take a look at what the community is saying, 92% is still bullish. Turbo is a good narrative with AI. Patience is a virtue. Community team, call whatever you think of us. We will rise and show how massive and strong the Turbo revolution is. If you're not yet a part of this, don't miss out. We are going to billions soon. My favorite coin that makes the most money in short time. Turbo is currently attempting a breakout out of the downtrend resistance line. If it does, we are headed to all-time highs very soon, which is again a good thing as well. You would think 5 cents is a guarantee. 10 cents would be nice. 20 cents might be pushing it, but never know. If no alt season, then nothing matters anyway, but would be nice to at least get this to a few pennies. I mean, come on already. And that is absolutely right. Would be nice. Again, the long-term goal is obviously a lot higher, but in the short term, we could definitely cross 1 penny or a couple pennies at least. I'm bullish. Another cult meme potentially like Pepe and Doge on ride. Join before you miss out. Turbo is something big more. Thank you. Imagine just buy on hold. You will see how big this AI creation is. And I just love, it's kind of funny too, but I just love on how when Turbo is having a green day, we see all these bullish comments, and when it was having red days, people were saying it's going to zero, it's dead, Turbo just died out. But when it is having good days like today is a really good day for like about 15% up, and almost all the comments are all positive on this coin. So which is again, people tend to change their perspective on how the market is doing, so that definitely plays a big part on what people are saying at the moment. So anything said in this video is not financial advice. I do not provide financial advice, nor do the people in the comment section. So do make sure to do your due diligence, do your own research first before you get into any of these meme coins. Markets have ups and downs, and it definitely is really volatile, so you do need to know what you are getting into. In a few days, up in the top 105, 50 cents actually, this cycle. I'm bullish on Turbo. We can see almost everything is positive on Turbo right now, so these comments definitely depend on how good Turbo is doing for this coin. This coin is still not pumping. 54% of the whales are still holding. That's why most investors are afraid to invest on this coin. I mean, if 54% of the whales are holding, they know what's coming for Turbo. If the whales put in a huge amount of money in this coin, they know that it has huge potential, and it definitely will go up in the future soon. I'm bullish on Turbo, bullish, load up, nothing but the blue skies ahead. So again, comments looking really good for Turbo, and the potential is non-stoppable. So again, really huge coin. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at Turbo having a little bit of a bounce back, and is definitely starting to do good once again. If we do cross the resistance line, we will definitely be heading to new all-time highs very soon. So if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.